Thank you, Kimberly. And staying in Westmoreland, because residents of Sheffield district are calling for good sense to prevail following the closure of 2 local cemeteries last week. Alternative cemeteries have been provided, but residents are hoping that an agreement can be reached between the municipal corporation and owners of private lands in the community. Jamila Maitland explains.
They're supposed to give we somewhere or give we a notice, say such and such a time, we're going to close the cemetery, we're going to look somewhere given to bury on dead. Where we must carry we loved one go. Where and everybody can buy a spot at Onigan nor Daily. Where we must carry it up we go. Where we would like to know.
An irate resident of Sheffield, Westmoreland, Felicia MacDonald, lashes out at the municipal corporation's decision to close the public cemetery in the area last Thursday. The Sheffield and Westmoreland cemeteries are full and have been ordered closed by the health department. The alternatives, the St. Paul's Public Cemetery, Tate's, Jerusalem Mountain, and Church Lincoln Cemetery in Grange Hill.
Grange Hill no want we up there. We can't afford if we go to Grange Hill. We need a cemetery right here where we can bury a loved one with more.
Private options are available, but it costs anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 for a burial spot at the public cemetery and up to $350,000 at private cemeteries. TVJ News visited the Sheffield Cemetery, where residents told us of a grave digging planned for Sunday for an elderly woman who died.
40-50 years down there. We go to Grange Hill Sunday. One who don't like poor woman. I want poor woman and I have one girl pay me. Die, you know. They don't have transport. They don't have money to go back and forth. Everybody has to go out there. I volunteer to every grave digging upon partner. Just drink some of man just get together and black you up and do a vibe like that.
For residents, burials in familiar place not only brings comfort for the living, but also the dead.
The culture of the people here, they like to be buried in their community. It's a cultural practice, really. The cemetery is really, they want now, the rallying point for like the dead for the community. People go down there to look for their loved one. Grandmother. That's where my parents were buried.
But caretaker for the Sheffield Cemetery Valley says the closure is no big plot twist. He says the cemetery has been full for a while. The issue is poor planning.
I feel very sad because many people here don't afford to go to Daily nor Honeygall. They have as much land to bury in their yard. Then can go to St. Paul. St. Paul is the St. Paul people because St. Paul develop. Grange Hill is the Grange Hill people.
Notably, there is a private property adjoining the cemetery. Residents question the inability of the corporation to secure the land for the community. Our cameras observed graves on the land. However, TVJ News also understands that the owner might have plans for development there. The community, however, is hoping that an agreement can be reached soon.
Come together and let us get the land and open our cemetery. While we're in Grange Hill. We have somewhere at Grange Hill. I should feel it up if it's there.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
To News